To start the mushroom stock, heat the olive oil on medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms. And cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes until they are softened. Meanwhile, slice the shiitakes. So position your finger very well, like you learned in the previous course. And you know, they come with the stamps, so that's fine, leave them. And do not discard the water, we will use that later on. Today I'm using dry shiitakes, but you can use any dry mushrooms. And the mushroom I'm using also today are guidelines. You may use any edible mushrooms. Then add the sliced shiitakes. Mix well. Add the onions and all the remaining ingredients. So the carrots, the spices, salt, pepper, the clove, the chopped garlic. Make sure you remove the germ of the garlic. The herbs, and the parsley that you washed previously, and just break it into pieces. Great. Mix well. Remember the water that we kept from the dry shiitakes? We're going to use it, but when I'm going to pour it, I'm not going to go to the bottom of the bowl, because you may find some dirt or sand depending on the mushroom you are using. So just pour slowly. The impurities that are floating are fine. What is not fine is what is on the bottom. That's fine. Okay, so I won't use that, because that could be dirt, sand, you know, things like that. So discard that. Add cold water over. Mix well. So you want to put about 9 cups of liquid, or you want to have your mushrooms and vegetables covered by about a small inch over. The idea is not to dilute too much the flavor of those vegetables. Our stock is boiling. As soon as the stock reaches the boiling point, turn it down to a low simmer and keep it simmering slowly for about an hour. The mushroom stock has simmered for 1 hour. Strain it. Look at that color, beautiful. Press down to extract the maximum flavors. Look at this color, it's very dense and it's very dark and it's beautiful. What a nice stock. The vegetables here, you know, are just onions, carrots and mushrooms. Don't throw them away if they're nice, beautiful mushrooms. Let them cool and season them with a little vinaigrette and have them as a salad. Wonderful. Taste your stock. It's divine. It's almost like a consommé. Not as clear, but very tasty. Awesome.